Hello friends. So no bank hassle. Learn how to send money to bKash using Remitly easily. So first of all, we need to go to Remitly online app. Then click the listing and Remitly.com will open on your browser, and then you can just easily log in using your email. Like you can log in. Continue with Google, select the email. Yeah, it's loading. So sending to Bangladesh. Yeah, so bKash is popular mobile wallet method of Bangladesh. So sending to Bangladesh, the 1 USD equal to 122.26 BDT. So send money, Bangladesh. Start over. Send new recipient like. mm, so you need to put the recipient name here. First of all, I want to send 50 USD. So the recipient should get this money. Then the delivery method should be mobile wallet, mobile money. bKash payment method should be, you can also send you using your debit card or credit card, but I'd like to show using credit card. Then continue. Then the recipient name MD Ali Islam. The last name will be this one. Yeah, then click on continue, and you should put the mobile number of MD Alif Islam. So 01724505343, this one. Then continue. This is the bKash number. Okay, the recipient notification, yes please or no thanks. Yeah, I think notification will be better. Yes please. Then add a new card. I need to add a new card. Continue. Then the billing address, you need to put your billing address, like if you are based on USA, you need to put the street address, APT number, and the full address, city, state, and postal code. Then you need to put your card number, expire date, and security code. Then review details and send. And after that, your recipient should get the money in just 2 minutes. So the process should be very simple and easy. Thank you. Please let us know if you have any question.